Hey y'all, it's Jayla Aria. Y'all already know who it is, who it ain't. In today's video, I'm finna be doing like a moving vlog slash packing vlog. And it's gonna be part 1, episode 1, whatever. Because y'all already know I'm not gonna put like the whole moving process in one video so that I can have multiple videos, you know. So right now I'm finna pack up my room because I started and never finished. We moved Saturday, it's Thursday, and the whole house is still full. So we have to get started because we can't do everything one day and just beat ourselves down and try to just do too much because it's gonna make us tired and not want to do it. So we need to do it day by day and get stuff in there. We are going to our new house today to clean it up, but right now while we here I'm finna pack up my room and clean up and stuff like that. I have started, like I said. I took all my decorations down, y'all. That's why my room looks so like different and stuff. I took off my LED lights, the walls, the lights over there, the thingy over here and stuff like that. So right now I'm finna just pack up my clothes and stuff and just get everything up because it looked real junky in here. Like it looks like a freaking storm came through here, not gonna lie. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram and my TikTok because we're going up on both. And make sure y'all subscribe here also so we can go up here too because we are. And we finna get straight into this video. Stop looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. Nobody's living, you know. I'm working on me. They jealous so they lurking on me. I don't mind. My new girl's not too thirsty to ride. She's riding for me. Ride or dying for me. Oh. Girl, you're the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know you know the truth. Come take a chance. It's not that I can. I know you know the truth. When you see it's like that I can. Oh, it's like that I can. I play 5'5" of pure sexy. I see. Her bitch wanna be her and they wanna. Let me sit down. So I'm about to fold these clothes because I'm gonna pack them up after I fold them, and then once I fold them I'm gonna do my closet, and by the time I'm done with my closet, my clothes in the dryer should be done. Then I'm gonna get my clothes out of the washer and put them in the dryer, y'all. I just feel like this is gonna be a long process due to the fact that we started like really late to decide to want to pack. But I mean, that's how it is honestly every year. Like, well, not every year because we don't move every year, but every time we move, like, I feel like we just start at the last minute, like as if we really got the time to be just sitting around, you know. But you know how it is, y'all. Y'all know how it is. We always gonna start at the last minute, literally. But I'm glad that I could share this experience with y'all this time because last time I moved, I wasn't doing YouTube. When I moved here, I wasn't doing YouTube. I like started YouTube maybe, wait, we moved here not like. Stop looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. Nobody's living, you know. I'm working on me. They jealous so they lurking on me. I don't mind. My new girl's not too thirsty to ride. She's riding for me. Ride or dying for
chance. I know you know the truth. Come take a chance. It's not that I can. I know you know the truth. When you see. It's like that I can. It's not that I can. I blame you. 5'5" is pure sexy. I see. Her bitch wanna be. Her nigga wanna meet you. You get a bookings in my city.
I'm about to give y'all a house tour, a mini house tour right now. So yo, let me give him this house tour, y'all. I got to hurry up. So this is the front door. When you first walk in, it's this. Then you close it, and then you turn around. You got the living room, and outside our neighbors. This is the kitchen. I don't know why my camera blurry, y'all. When is it gonna focus? Cause okay, this is the kitchen with the lights. The refrigerator. I meant microwave. We putting up plug-ins and stuff. Smell good. Sink, dishwasher, the back door, my tripod, this the kitchen, and dining room. I shouldn't have said that.
Did you vacuum up?
Yes, this is a bedroom. They left this for some strange reason, but I feel like I put my TV on this, so actually I'm glad they left that, because I'm putting my TV right up on that. They left the LED lights. Good. This is the bathroom, you guys. This is the bathroom. This is the toilet. Dude, my camera's finna die. Another bedroom. This is the laundry room. If y'all want to see, it's this. We'll do that later. This is my mom's room. We finna go to the store. We finna go to the store. We're finna go to the store. I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all because my camera is dying. It's blinking, guys. So I might vlog off my camera. It depends, because I did bring my charger, so I'm gonna charge it while I'm gone. And I'm gonna get back with y'all. So you guys, we just left Best Buy. As y'all can see, my phone ran out of storage, so that's why I didn't finish recording. But we're back at the house. It's currently It's currently 4:49. We got to go home and pack. Y'all, I'm sick of this.
You know what? I really need to get fridge out. Everything pretty up, but I ain't gonna do that. Okay. The other one, what is it? Which one was the thing on with the TV? Okay. So this is what got to get put up a refrigerator.
I'm gonna get back with you. Let me show y'all the lights now that it's kind of dark in here. That's that light. Y'all see my tripod over there too. That's this light. Let me turn down the brightness so y'all could see. And then, don't mind my ghetto mother. That's this light. It's missing a light bulb, but we're gonna put one up there. So yeah. And then I'm about to show y'all this one. And then we about to go now to Best Buy to get this refrigerator. And then we're going to get something to eat. Then we're coming back and finish cleaning up. Then we're going home. So I'm probably going to end this video now because I am doing like episode 1, episode 2 and stuff like that. So I'm gonna let y'all, I'm gonna do day by day. So today's gonna be episode 1 and stuff. I'm gonna finish out the day and then I'm gonna get back with y'all tomorrow. So yeah. Yes, cause you was about to leave. It's like S-H-A-N-I. How you say that? Ugly, Johnny, something like that. I'm just like that girl with the dreams. Yeah, I know who I'm talking about. So really? Oh. What's the name of the Frigidaire? Okay, let me see if I find it. Even though it ain't really. My life and I won't. So, baby, just the part and that. Oh, go. Okay, y'all. So, this is the one that my mom was looking at. Look ghetto. Not that I look ghetto. Oh no, he does. No, he don't. This is the one my mom was looking at. I want you got to have. You probably got to have. You probably got to have what you call it on internet, right? No. Well, yeah. We'll have internet. We're gonna have internet. Y'all, my mom did bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out. Turn your goofy dog. Turn that off. Is she crazy? Yeah. Nah, I know you lie. Let's go to the Lord. I'm saying want to put on that up in here. See, that's why we need that. Because we could be listening to while we cooking. Just the end of this vlog. You gotta freeze. Oh my God. Just the end of this vlog. We just not even. Excuse me so I can intro myself. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn y'all post notifications so y'all can know when I post another video. Comment down below how y'all like our new house and stuff like that. Comment down below that. And I'ma see y'all in my next video.
We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.